Shatpat Brahmana by Madhyandeen. Unveiling the depths of Vedic knowledge. The Shatpat Brahmana, often referred to as the Shatpat, is one of the most significant and extensive Brahmanas associated with the Shukla Yajur Veda. This ancient text holds a paramount position within the Vedic corpus, providing invaluable insights into the religious, philosophical, and ritualistic traditions of ancient India. In this article, we embark on a comprehensive journey to delve into the Shatpat Brahmana, Madhyandeen version, exploring its origins, content, significance, and its enduring influence on Indian culture and spirituality. Historical context. The Shatpat Brahmana is believed to have been composed over several centuries, dating back to approximately 800 BCE to 200 BCE, although it may contain elements from even earlier periods. The Madhyandeen recension, one of the two major recensions of the Shatpat Brahmana, is attributed to the Madhyandeen school of the Shukla Yajur Veda. This school's name, Madhyandeen, indicates its geographical origin in the central regions of ancient India. Structure and organization. The Shatpat Brahmana consists of 14 books, also known as Kandas, each dealing with various aspects of Vedic rituals, cosmology, and philosophy. These books are further divided into chapters and sections, providing a meticulous framework for the exposition of Vedic knowledge. The Madhyandeen version closely resembles the Kamma version, with some variations in terms of mantra arrangement and interpretation. Content and themes. The Shatpat Brahmana explores a wide range of themes, including 1. Rituals and sacrifices. A significant portion of the text is dedicated to describing the intricacies of Vedic rituals and sacrifices, particularly the yajnas. It provides detailed instructions on the construction of altars, the selection of priests, and the chanting of mantras during these ceremonies. 2. Cosmology and mythology. The text contains cosmological and mythological narratives that elucidate the creation of the universe, the roles of various deities, and the relationship between the divine and mortal realms. The famous story of the sage Yajnavalkya's encounter with King Janaka is found in the Shatpat Brahmana, where profound philosophical discussions take place. 3. Symbolism and allegory. The Shatpat Brahmana often employs symbolism and allegory to convey deeper philosophical and spiritual truths. It is in this Brahmana that we find the metaphor of the two birds on a tree, the individual soul and the supreme reality, that later became famous in Vedanta philosophy. 4. Ethical and moral teachings. Alongside ritualistic and metaphysical content, the Shatpat Brahmana imparts ethical and moral teachings, emphasizing the importance of righteousness, dharma, and virtuous living. Influence and significance. The Shatpat Brahmana holds immense significance in the development of Hinduism and Indian philosophy. Its influence can be observed in several areas. 1. Philosophical foundations. The philosophical discussions within the Shatpat Brahmana laid the groundwork for later Vedic and Hindu philosophies, including Vedanta, which expounds on the nature of reality, the self, Atman, and the supreme reality, Brahman. 2. Ritualistic practices. The Brahmana provides a detailed and authoritative guide to Vedic rituals and ceremonies, serving as a foundational text for priests and scholars engaged in these practices. 3. Literary legacy. Its rich narrative style and allegorical storytelling have inspired countless subsequent Hindu texts and scriptures, contributing to the development of religious literature in India. 4. Cultural continuity. The Shatpat Brahmana plays a pivotal role in preserving and transmitting the cultural and religious traditions of ancient India, ensuring their continuity over millennia. Conclusion. The Shatpat Brahmana, Madhyandeen, stands as a remarkable testament to the intellectual and spiritual richness of ancient India. Its profound insights into Vedic rituals, cosmology, philosophy, and ethics continue to be a source of inspiration and contemplation for scholars, practitioners, and seekers of wisdom. As we explore this ancient Brahmana, we gain a deeper understanding of the cultural, philosophical, and religious tapestry that has shaped the Indian subcontinent for millennia.